Wow, we've got a huge mess to clean up. Hi, welcome to Boomer University and Extreme Work from Home. Today we're doing the third episode of the 1970 Prowler trailer renovation. We've hauled a bunch of trash out of it. We've gutted it. You can see the trailer there full of trash. Uh, we're making good progress, but it's a mess. It's just a mess. Look at the inside of this thing. Everything's rotted. All the wood up the sides has rotted, all kinds of dry rot, and the body is actually sunk down on the frame about an inch and a half on one side. Air conditioner is pushing the roof down, and it's just, I think the floor is really the only thing that's good. Got my saw here, just basically cutting out the old rotted wood and going to just put new wood in its place. Do that wherever you can. If the wood is solid, you kind of hold on to it. You can leave it, but you've got to cut the bad rotted pieces out. And you've just got to rip all the instant. So here, removing the hot water heater, don't need that anymore. Just throwing that in the dump essentially. Uh, yeah, there's much better, more efficient hot water heaters these days. Getting rid of that. And so we've got that hole freed up. Looks like the floor is still pretty good. We'll be doing some more work on that. And yeah, things are getting pretty clean on the inside. Next episode, as you can see here, the roof needs some work. So we'll work on the roof the next episode.